welcome to my channel Ayurveda and your health. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you something about black pepper, and I believe that 99% of people don't know how to use black pepper. Black pepper is very useful for us and it is used as a spices. We use it as a spices, but not only its uses of spices, it is very beneficial for our health. So if you want to know the benefits of black pepper, so be with me and watch my video till end, and don't forget to like and share this video. Friends, black pepper is also known as a round pepper, marich, round marich and kali mirch. Its scientific name is Piper nigrum, and black pepper it suppresses the vat and cough according to Ayurveda. So black pepper it is rich in carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, example calcium, phosphorus, etc. and vitamins. So it is very beneficial. It contains carbohydrate, proteins and many minerals. Some tips for using black pepper. I am going to tell you some tips how you can use black pepper. First of all, friends, make a powder by grinding equal quantity of black pepper and rock salt for toothache and gums weakness. What you have to do is you have to add 2 to 3 drops of mustard oil in it and mix it well. Apply it on the teeth and gums and rinse it after half an hour. You will see your toothache will be gone. For cough, if you are suffering from cough, how you have to use this black pepper? You have to mix a pinch of pepper with half teaspoon of clarified butter, and to cure your cough you can eat this mixture after your meal, or you can lick it after mixing half teaspoon of black pepper powder and half teaspoon of honey 3 to 4 times a day, and to cure your cough, and you will get rid of your cough. If you are having gas and acidity problems, and it is very common problem in today's life that everyone is suffering from gas and acidity, so how you can cure it? By using black pepper, you have to add half teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of black salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder in 1 cup of water, and regular consumption of this for a few days. It will remove your stomach gas and acidity problems. Friends, if you are having a sore throat, hoarseness, what you have to do is you have to boil 10 black pepper in water and do gargles with this water. It will cure your throat infection and as well as hoarseness. Friends, if there is a problem of worm infestation in stomach, then dissolve a pinch of black pepper powder in 1 glass of buttermilk and drink it. Or you can mix it this black pepper with raisins, eat it 2 to 3 times a day. Heat the black pepper in a sesame oil and massaging it on the painful and inflamed joints. After cooling, provide intense relief in pain and inflammation to arthritic patient. It is very beneficial for arthritic patients. What you have to do is you have to heat the black pepper in sesame oil and you have to massage on the painful joints, inflamed joints, and you will really get relief. You can mix the black pepper powder in a clarified butter, that is ghee, and you can apply it on the boil and pulses, and it will cure the boils and puzzles. Friends, if you have a problem of blood pressure, it is very common problem that everyone is suffering from the blood pressure. How you can cure it? By using black pepper. You have to mix half teaspoon of black pepper powder in a half glass of water and you have to drink it, and you will get rid of this blood pressure. You have to mix black pepper, cumin and loaf sugar, grind them and make them in powdered form. You have to take 2 to 3 times of this powder in a day. It provides lot of relief in piles, and if you want to get rid of this piles, you can use it regularly and you will really get relief from the piles. Friends, if you regularly consume this black pepper, it will help in making your hormone called serotonin, and serotonin it provides a relief in depression. In today's life is very fast and everyone is very anxious, everyone is in very tension, and then slowly they go in the stage called depression. If you want to get relief from the depression, you can use this black pepper. Friends, licking daily 1 teaspoon of mixture made by mixing equal quantity of clarified butter, that is ghee, black pepper and loaf sugar together, it will improve your memory. Not only this, it will also cure your weakness of mind. So if you want to improve your memory, you want that your weakness of your mind should be destroyed, if you want that your weakness of mind should be cured, then start eating this mixture and you will really see that your memory is really improved. Friends, I hope you like this. information, and please don't forget to like and share this information. Thank you, friends. I hope you like my video. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Ayurveda and Your Health. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you, friends.